The Maritime and Seafood Industry Museum in Biloxi is hosting a Hurricane Camille at 50 Lunch and Learn series this summer. The weekly discussion focuses on how the powerful storm impacted life in South Mississippi a half-century ago. Mississippi Power retirees Ed Blakesley, Alan Lance, and John Peranich recently provided an overview of the company's restoration effort. The storm knocked out service to more than 100,000 customers and damaged nearly 175 transmission towers across the service territory.
The getting around after Camille was somewhat difficult because of all of the downed trees. The roads were destroyed. Highway 90 was pretty much just washed away. At first, really had no real direction because this was level of destruction, I think, was new to the power company.
Tried to get the line truck operating. It had gone underwater. We got it running, then gathered up material. Then we tried to get out and doing a damage assessment. You couldn't move around hardly. The trees and debris all over the streets and the road. Finally, the CBs came in and started help clearing. But sometimes we just had to take the line truck out and go remove debris and trees.
Well, I think we're much more prepared now. I mean, we got bucket trucks. I mean, as you well know, everybody, you train. You train ahead of time. You know what you're going to do when a storm comes. It's all set out, and you just execute the plan.
A few generations removed from the featured speakers, employees from the Biloxi Service Center were on hand for the discussion.
I started when these guys were still in their prime. So I heard all the lessons from Camille, and I moved forward from then, learning from them the lessons that they had to deal with, and I still put that into practice now.